Hello dear students. Welcome to the lesson on French possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns are used to indicate ownership or belonging. Understanding how to use them correctly is crucial for effective communication in French. This lesson will help you learn and practice French possessive pronouns to talk about things that belong to you and others. Without wasting any more time, let's start our lesson. A possessive pronoun is a word used to show ownership or belonging. It replaces the noun that is being possessed, indicating to whom something belongs. In French, they match the gender, masculine, feminine, and the number, singular, plural, of the thing owned, not the gender of the owner. Let's take this example for a better explanation.
Tu vois cette maison là-bas? Eh bien, c'est la mienne.
You see that house over there? Well, that's mine. In this sentence, mine replaces that house. Mine is a possessive pronoun. It helps avoid repetition. In this context, we're pointing out how possessive pronouns function in both French and English to streamline communication and prevent the unnecessary reiteration of the noun. Just like
La mienne.
in French replaces
Cette maison.
to avoid saying that house again. In English, mine replaces that house to avoid redundancy. This usage demonstrates how possessive pronouns can make sentences more efficient and easier to understand.
Le mien. La mienne.
Les miens, les miennes.
This means mine.
Le tien. La tienne.
Les tiens, les tiennes.
This means yours.
Le sien. La sienne.
Les siens, les siennes.
Means his, hers.
Le nôtre. La nôtre.
Les nôtres.
This means ours.
Le vôtre. La vôtre.
Les vôtres.
This means yours.
Le leur. La leur.
This means theirs. Examples.
J'aime bien cette idée, mais que pensez-vous des leurs?
I really like this idea, but what do you think about theirs?
La voiture qui vient d'arriver est-elle la tienne?
Oui, c'est le mien.
Is the car that just arrived yours? Yes, it's mine.
C'est le chien des voisins?
Non, c'est le nôtre.
Is this the neighbor's dog?
No, it's ours.
Je peux voir mes amis là-bas, mais pas les siens.
I can see my friends over there, but not hers. In this lesson we learnt that the possessive pronoun must always match the gender and number of the noun, not the person. Pronouns for masculine and feminine are different, except when the vowel exception applies. I hope that the lesson taught you more about possessive pronouns. In the next lesson we will go even more in depth. Don't forget to practice the lesson and see you soon.